On the Trail Radio here, and are you wondering how you can intercept business communications with just a regular Baofeng UV5R? Quick disclaimer, it is not possible if they are trunked, encrypted, or digital. This is an analog ham radio and therefore can decipher analog signals. Especially if you're in America, the first thing you're going to want to do is load in the 22 FRS or GMRS frequencies. All the way from 1 to 22. This takes place within the 462.562 all the way up to 462.725 range. Each of those has a narrow band in FM because it is narrowband FM communication. You can find all of those frequencies a little bit more in depth by going online and searching up the FRS and GMRS radio frequencies. It's more likely to be chains and retail stores that are using these where they just have to talk to the back dock or something like that. The next set of old business frequencies is going to be the dots and stars, like red dot is 151.625. Then of course you got purple dot,
3, 7,
brown dot,
3, 8,
yellow dot,
3, 9,
J dot,
4, 0,
K dot,
4, 1,
silver star,
4, 2,
gold star,
4, 3,
red star,
4, 4.
and blue star. All of these frequencies range between the VHF and UHF, especially things like blue star, which have a 467.925 frequency. These are a little outdated and you're not going to find them as often, although you can still find them. In my area, personally, it seems that a lot of construction sites use these, especially red dot. Red dot is very common around here. The next set of frequencies actually takes place in the MultiUse radio service. It'll actually not be in the first three, though, as it is a 5-channel service that takes place in the VHF around the 151 to 154 megahertz range. Instead, you're going to want to go to MERS 4 and MERS 5, which is also known as green dot and blue dot. A little callback to whenever we had the red dots, yellow dots, etc. You'll find places like Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart using these frequencies. And then, of course, you can find other frequencies around there just by going to your VFO and hitting scan. You never know what business is using what frequency. Just remember, it's not going to be sitting anywhere between 420 to 450 or even in the 462 GMRS range. So go ahead, start scanning and find those businesses. Listen to them.